Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what this button does on your Apple AirPods Max. It's noise cancelling, but by default there's only two modes, but there is a third mode if you enable it in the settings. So I'm going to put them on this box here to mimic somebody wearing them. And if I go into settings and go to AirPods Max, we have noise cancellation here and transparency and off. But have a look, every time I press this button here, can you see it will just go between transparency and noise cancellation, but it won't do the middle one, which is off. So basically what it means is noise cancelling is where you're going to hear very little of the outside world. So if you're in a noisy environment, you can concentrate more on your music or the film you're watching. If you have it in transparency mode, it's actually picking up sounds through the microphones here, and it's bringing more of the outside world in. So you can hear, for example, if you want to hear traffic, you'll be able to hear the traffic more. But let's say if you want to have them like old-fashioned headphones that didn't have noise cancelling and didn't have enhanced sounds coming in either, well, we can turn it off. But right now on here we can only go between the two. All we have to do is check here, and then you see we now have 3 ticks. By default it's like this. Do that, and now it gives us the third option, which is off. And now every time we press this, can you see it's going to cycle between them? So right now it's off, right now it's noise cancelling, then we're back to transparency, and then we go to off again. And it's the same when you put it in here. From now on, it will always have those 3 settings. So pretend now we're finished for the day, and then we're going to, so now it's going to be disconnected from here. You can see it's disconnected. Now if we take them out and it livens up again, we put them on our head. You can see we've still got the 3 ticks, and every time we press this, it's going to cycle through all 3 of them. So that's it. Obviously, if you just didn't want transparency, you can turn that off and just leave it as noise cancellation off, and then you can see it will only cycle between those 2 there. It won't go to transparency. So you can mess around with this in the settings if you want. Thank you so much for watching.